Dang it.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, the Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, until midnight at 11:09 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots from 8 nautical miles northeast of Turkey Point to the Magazine River, moving east at 35 knots. This line of thunderstorms will be near Love Point.
Whoa.
Wind gusts of at least 34 knots, locally high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 11:30 p.m. for Kent.
Wow, that was a bright flash of lightning. Too bad there wasn't much thunder with that. Well, guess that'll be it.